Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI for speech synthesis. This will help you convert text into natural sounding speech for various applications. So let's get started. First of all, go to the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai and sign up for an API key if you have not already. For that, you need to select the settings icon which is on the bottom left corner. Now get to the top right corner and select API. Now select Docs and after that get started. Now here is the process of how to get an API key. This key will give you access to Perplexity AI's speech synthesis capabilities. Now set up your development environment by installing the necessary libraries and dependencies for working with the Perplexity AI API. Now integrate the Perplexity AI API into your application, configure it to handle text inputs and convert them into speech. This involves setting up API endpoints and managing the flow of text data. Now prepare your text data for synthesis, ensure it is well formatted and free of errors to achieve the best speech quality. Now use Perplexity AI to generate speech from your text data. The API will process the text and produce audio files or streams of the synthesized speech. Now review the generated speech to ensure it meets your quality standards. Adjust the API settings as needed to improve the pronunciation, intonation and clarity. Implement features in your application to handle different languages, accents or voice styles if needed. Perplexity AI can provide diverse options for customization. Now test the speech synthesis functionality thoroughly to ensure it works correctly across various scenarios and devices. Now deploy your speech synthesis feature into your production environment, making it available for end users to utilize. And that's it. By following these steps, you can use Perplexity AI to integrate high quality speech synthesis into your applications, enhancing user experience and accessibility. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.